Hello guys, this is Jacob. Today I'm gonna make a video to show you one key feature in Cursor AI that's gonna boost your productivity, and that is extract text from image. So um, let's get started. So first, download a free version of the Cursor AI from the Cursor's official website, and here's the IDE. You can download it and then open it up. So this is the default uh, look, how it looks like, and then just create a project, just very simple Node.js project. You can use this command line if that helps. So just set it up, and then you can see the tree structure on the left side. So what we need to do in this video is to show you how to create a tree structure as text from the image that you captured from the left side. So if you do a screenshot like this, let me show you how that looks like. So if you do a screen capture just like that, and let's go back to Cursor AI. So then you open the chat window using the Command L or Control L or uh, Control Shift L or Command Shift L. Then just open up the image. So like that. So just open up the image like that, and then um, go to your prompt. So you can just create a prompt like that, or just anywhere in your text note. And then one sentence would be, help me generate the file structure in SC2 version. So let's use a prompt and use this image. Let's see what happens. Here we go. So basically, this is a structure directly from the image that you did a screenshot just now. So how awesome was that? Another example I want to show you guys is if you have any um, uh, prompt that you saw anywhere on the internet and it's an image, and you want to basically generate the prompt from the image, something like uh, this prompt. Let's see. So let's say this is a very simple prompt. It's assume laws of the physics of Earth. And a small strawberry is put into a normal cup, and the cup is placed upside down on the table. Someone then takes the cup and put it inside the microwave. And where's the strawberry now? Explain your reasoning step by step. Right. This is some of the prompt we see on any of the videos, or maybe somewhere on the website that you cannot download. So all you have to do is take a screenshot of that, go to your Cursor IDE, and then just upload that image. So just upload the image. You can see this image, we'll upload the image, and all you have to do is just copy this prompt. It's got how me generate content from the image, no explanation, no format, only text from image. So, and then hit enter, see what happens. See? So basically, you just extract the text from the image. So how awesome was that? So this is one key feature that I want to share, so that to help you improve your productivity. Um, and hope that's helpful, and hope you enjoyed this video, and do comment, subscribe or like if you feel this helpful, and see you in the next one. Thank you so much.